Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm currently turning this Mercedes Sprinter into an off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere, kind of stealthy camper van, and today I'm going to be fitting an awning rail. So after scanning the internet for hours on end, looking through eBay, I came across this company that sells this awning rail. The company name is Camping Online. Very appropriate, I thought. So this looked like the best one I could find. I haven't actually looked at it yet. So let's have a look at my nice new awning rail. And by the way, this was only £16.95. So yeah, bargain really. Oh, get it out. Yeah, it looks exactly like it did in the picture. Now the reason I chose this awning rail is because of the profile. If I hold it up like that, you can see the profile, and a lot of them, the C shape was up at a 45-degree angle, so it would have been like this on my roof, but I needed it like this, or actually facing down a little bit maybe. So that's why I chose this. That's one reason. The other reason, it's got a sticky back on it, so I can peel this off, stick it to my uni-strut rail that's on the roof, and then drill the holes and screw it into place. So that's a really handy feature, that is, I think, because you can actually stick it in place and then drill it and screw it. And it's already got some pre-drilled holes as well, so hopefully this should be pretty plain sailing. He says. Now it comes in 3 parts. There are 2 end parts, and the end parts have got this curvature on it. So this is an end, this goes on the end. The other side of this has got a straight edge, like can't really see because I hold it that way, so you can see it's a straight edge. So I've got 2 of those. Yep, that one's got a curved edge on it as well, pre-profiled. So they're the 2 ends, and then this one goes in the middle because it's got a flat edge each end. So that's my middle piece, and then my 2 end piece. And all in all, I think it makes just over 3 metres. There's 3 lengths at 1.2 metres each, so that's 3.6 metres long. Might be a bit too long actually. We'll have a look, because my uni-strut is only 3 metres, so yeah, I might have to cut a little bit off. Right, anyway, let's get it up there and see how we go. Right, so this is where it's going to go. I've already stuck this on, and I've got to say this stuff is super sticky. So that's stuck in place, and I'm going to screw it in place using these self-drilling, self-tapping little bolts. Hopefully they'll be all right. Now it's going to be absolutely impossible for me to film this and do it at the same time, so I'll be right back. That ain't working. It's not going well. I've broken a couple of these little screws. These are the screws that came with it. I've broke a drill bit. There's shards of metal everywhere where I've been drilling into the uni-strut. So I figured if I can glue glass to the side of my van, why can't I glue this awning rail to the side of my van using this tiger seal? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue it in place rather than try and drill it and screw it, because drilling it and screwing it obviously isn't working, and all it's doing is making a mess. I've got shards of iron filings all over my roof, and I don't like that. So I'm going to clean this sticky stuff off of here. I'm going to clean the paint off of my uni-strut, use a bit of sandpaper, and simply glue it in place. Easy as that. Right, so I'm going to glue it and then clamp it into place using these. I won't fix the awning on there until, I don't know, I'll leave it a couple of days I reckon. But like I say, if it works for windows, then why not? Awning rails. Incidentally, I'm applying this tiger seal in the same manner, using a V-shaped cut in the end of my nozzle. So this nozzle's got a V-shaped cut in it to give me a nice bead of adhesive. Let's see if I can show you this without getting it all over me. Down the length of it. Here you go. So now I'm just going to simply stick it to my uni-strut. Put it in the right place. This is going to be messy, I know it is. Should have put gloves on really. I highly recommend, if you're using tiger seal for anything, put gloves on. I might just nip off this ladder and go and get a pair. That's it's done now. It's done. It's done. Straight. Alright, so now all I've got to do is cut a little bit off the end bit to make it the right length. Brilliant, it's working. Love it when a plan comes together. Well, there you go, I've got it glued on, so I'm going to leave that a couple of days probably before I even try and attempt to fix my awning to it. So I'll be back in a couple of days. There's a reason I chose this one. Out of all the not uni-strut. So let's have it off. So let's take a little look at what's in the box, shall we? Now there is a reason I chose this uni-strut.